You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I'll bring you this cryptocurrency video. And right now Bitcoin is trading at 19.4k and I've been talking about markets going down. Exact same thing, market is going down from this level of resistance to the downside. And on the 4-hour charts, you see market is still within this very level of consolidation. And right here on ETH, we have little consolidation right here. So what are we expecting in the market? Is the market going to go down into this level of support, or we're going to expect the market moving to the upside? All of this and more in today's video. Watch this video to the end. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for all that educational content. Leave a like and share this video. On the 1-day chart BTC, if you look at this area, I was talking about markets coming back down in as much as I do not see enough momentum after Fed meeting on this very candle to the upside. So we see a little bit of move to the upside and then markets come back down from this very area. And looking at this very structure of the market, if you look at it very well, you discover that we are still in a downtrend. Market have created a new close at this very level, at this very area. I'm talking about this very area is a new close that close below every other close that we see from this very level. So that is very important, guys. So what I am still paying attention to this week is the market, move slightly downward. That means from this area where the market is right now on this candle today, we expect the market to move down. Now, that doesn't mean the market cannot, go up a little bit and then come back down. That possibility exists, but on the long term, what I am expecting is that market should continue downward, okay, into this level of support, just like I've been talking about on this very channel. So pay attention to that, guys, and trade in line with this projection. And also on the 4-hour chart, if you look at it, we've been in a ranging market for about 2 weeks. And a ranging market, all you need to do is to trade from the resistance for a short and the support here for a long or buy position. So what I am expecting right now on this very ranging market and where the market is right now is for the market to go down into this support level. That means market should break this level where the market is consolidating right now, break this area and come back down into this level of support. That is what I am paying attention to right now on the immediate short term. So also look at this, guy. If it's aligned with your analysis, then we are expecting the market to move into this level of support on the immediate short term. And on ETH, the same thing. If you look at ETH charts, you discover we have a little bit of spike, okay, this very candle spike to the upside. What does that mean? It means there is a little bit of rejection from here to the downside, and if we see this candle close significantly bearish, and it means that market is going to go down. So my expectation is the market to move from where it is right now to the downside into this level of support. That is what I am expecting. That means if I see the market move up, I am not doing anything. Even at this level, market continue to the downside, I'm not going to take a short position because market is going down. Like I said earlier, don't trade when the market is within this area for a ranging market. Always trade from the resistance and the support level. That will give you a higher probability trade, okay, and it puts you on the advantage of entering a successful position. So that is what I am still paying attention to right now, for the market to move slightly downward into this level of support. That is what I am expecting. What do you think about BTC on the 1-day chart and also on the 1-week chart? Do you think we are still going to go down into this level of support before we see any potential breakout around this area of support? Comment below in the comment section of this video. And then if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check this channel for other educational content. And then one thing very important, we are going to organize a free crypto training for beginners, and the WhatsApp contact is in the description of this very video. Join right now and participate in that very training the end of this month. So if you've not registered on Binance as well, check the description. You see a link, their registration, $600 bonus on Bybit. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.